Today, me and another Roblox dev are going head to head in a crazy 1 hour challenge. We both have to create a line runner game, which is basically Speedrun 4, which in case you haven't played Speedrun 4 before, you spawn in on a massive map and have to run from the starting line to the finish line as fast as possible. We're going to be making this from scratch, and after an hour, we'll compare and see who made the best game. Let the battle begin.
Alright, me and Kevin are going to be making the same game in 1 hour. We're gonna let the viewers compare and choose who makes the better game, okay? It's the same concept. I don't think we're gonna look at well, I guess it doesn't really matter. We're gonna have a spin wheel, and it's gonna make our lives a lot harder. Kevin, do you want to explain the spin wheel while I go pee?
So, the way the spin wheel works is red is Natalie, blue is me. If it lands on red, it'll make her life harder. If it lands on blue, it'll make my life harder. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, but wait, we just got 3 subs. We got 3 subs. Hold up. We got to pause time.
Whoa!
We got 3. We got 3. Oh, Lord. All right. Are you watching? You ready?
Yes!
We got 3 spins. I'm spinning it right now. All right. Red's you.
Okay.
Viewers' choice on red. What do y'all want for her? What do y'all want? What do y'all want? All right.
Just started.
All right. All right. What do y'all think we need to get done on her? What do we need to do to make her life worse? Anything. I'm begging.
Nothing bad. Nothing bad. Guys, listen. Pizza.
Nat face reveal. Oh, Natalie, send me that picture. Natalie, you have to send me that picture. Make her delete her build. Oh. Okay. We have 2 things. Either that one picture you sent me, right?
No, not that picture. Fuck you, dude.
Okay, you can you can mark out the text. Pop out. There you go. Is that what y'all wanted? Is that what y'all wanted? Are y'all happy yet?
Here we go. Let's flip this camera. I got these nuts. Every time someone subscribes, I'm gonna put these nuts in my mouth.
Oh, that's gonna be a great intro. Alright, next we'll spin. No! Wait, this isn't gonna affect me! This isn't gonna affect me! Perfect!
What?
All colors to gray! All colors to gray! Let's go! I just started! Okay, that doesn't affect me much. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
No! 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 That's the worst one! Dude, that's the worst one! What is it even called? Dude, no! Is it updated Roblox controls? Is that it? Dude, no!
It's called,
That is not quality of life improvements at all. I gotta restart Studio for this. Nobody realizes how bad this is. Like, nobody's gonna realize how much I'm gonna struggle. This is gonna be bad. This is the thing we were talking about was me the absolute worst possible thing we could get. We'd rather have Spanish Studio, 120 FOV, all the effects. This is the absolute worst effect you can get, and it's the one I got to start. Pause. We got another sub. Spin the wheel. Alright, what is it? You loser. You know what you just got?
Oh, do I have to do Spanish Studio? No!
Alright, boys, do we think I'm doing better than Natalie? Real talk. I didn't see what Natalie was doing. I was trying to lock in. Do we get a vote in the end? Yeah, you get a vote in the end. We'll run a poll.
How much time do we have left?
We have 35 minutes.
God damn. Left?
Yes. Oh, we got a sub. Hold up.
I can't see the chat. I'm just not looking, but I will start looking.
Dude, I got Spanish Studio.
I'm still on Spanish Studio, dude.
Dude. Dang, dude. Alright. Time again. 2 seconds.
You know, please. Never mind.
Would be what?
Never mind.
No. Continue.
No. Immediately.
Would it be better content?
Just,
That's all I care about.
no. Just had a moment. You switched to my POV.
Yeah, that's what your POV. This game in Obby, it's the Speedrun 4 game. If you ever played it, it's that, but we're both recreating that.
I'm just speed running the build right now. Just throwing up some exterior walls. We don't have that much time, and I'm missing some pretty important mechanics. So I need to figure this shit out.
We got a sub. Hold
Switch
up. All right, calm down. You're a little bit late. It's fine. You still got 20 minutes on this at least. All part colors to gray, blue. Am I blue? Oh no, I'm blue. Thankfully, I've been grouping everything purely for this one purpose. Everybody buy bots. Hey, I ain't stopping y'all from buying bots now. I ain't even gonna lie about it. I ain't gonna stop you from buying a bot.
This is kind of dog shit right now, but it's okay.
It's because you made it.
Alright, I think I've
Again.
done all that I care to do. The thing is, I have a great framework, okay? This could be used to create a pretty solid game here. Is it good right now? No.
Let me put the orientation down. We can end early because I think I'm good now too.
You're ready. Let
You know
me
what?
do some testing for the last few minutes, and then we can get people up in here. Who do you want to go first? Just let the chat choose.
All right, boys. We're gonna end the timer here. So who do we think's game we need to play first? Mine or the Natalie Clavo? We'll let you go first. I want to see yours. All right.
Okay.
Who is Cracky 4 and who is Pawn Chokings?
Oh, okay. Whew.
You can't even make this jump, dude.
Skill issue. No.
Game sucks.
Okay, I almost
Skill
died.
issue. Oh, you didn't die in mine. Not a skill issue. Clearly luck.
Ooh, I got to the end. Okay, you guys have to make it to the end. I kind of cooked there.
This game don't even look good. This is not what I expected from you. I expected a lot better in 1 hour.
Kevin, why are you shitting on me, dude?
Oh, you can double jump.
Yes. I was focused on mechanics and gameplay and fun. Okay? Notice how you quick respawn if you suck and you die. I could have made the most beautiful game on the platform, but would it be fun? No. Now look. Look, the little confetti. Come on, give me credit here. Look at the confetti.
It's all right.
Okay.
I think I'd give this game like a 4 overall if I didn't even know what this game was. But with the time constraints and everything, I'd give it like an 8 or 9. Being completely honest. Oh, dude.
Alright, let's see. How did you do your speed? Does it get faster when you touch that part?
Yep. I just stole speedruns part off Toolbox.
Oh, you literally just took their... Okay. You know what? This is fun. I like...
You're trying so hard to want to hate it.
No, I don't hate it. I like your map a lot more. I think you spent more time on visuals and I spent more time on mechanics.
What do you mean the game is rigged?
You got
Checkpoints
your
work.
mechanics for free.
You gotta hit the checkpoint. Not rigged, I promise. L, Natalie, Dub, Kevin, thank you. I know these checkpoints are just like they're life changing. Dynamic joined. We got the whole crew in. Oh. It's one wall you start floating on when you hit because of the way the stuff's rotated.
Okay, Kevin. Oh. Okay, that blue one's hard.
Yeah, it gets progressively harder as you go.
God. I think if I were to give you any criticism, I would say faster respawn times. And that's about it.
Yeah, I know. I'm just great, ain't I? All right, now for the moment of truth. Who had the better game?
All right, let's hear it.
Kevin,
Alright,
Kevin,
win.
Natalie, Kevin,
Oh, I gotta
Kevin,
vote.
Natalie,
Okay.
Kevin, Natalie,
Ooh.
Natalie, Kevin, Natalie. All right, boys, I think I won this one now.